So I've just gone through TSA pre-check there, and I've got to say, not as good as it normally is. They put me to one side and searched me, and then they put my case through and double checked my case. Very strange. But we're through security now, and we're in this beautiful Tom Bradley terminal, and it is absolutely spectacular in here. It's a really, really nice terminal, a lot of high-end shops. Look at this one here. Check the window display out in there, it's amazing. Look at all the bags and everything for sale in there. It's colossal. So I think we can go try and get something to eat now, see what there is to eat, and we'll then go probably try and find us way to the gate. Look at the clothes they've got in here, the winter clothes, big coats, pretty amazing. And we're now at the food court here. So like I say, we'll find a table and we'll get something to eat. So we've just had dinner from KFC. There's not a lot of choice in here, but fill the gap. And we're in now in a second. Carry on looking around the airport for you. So like I say, dinner done. And we're now going to have a look around this very, very busy Tom Bradley terminal, and then we'll head down to the gate area. So every seat in the food hall taken. Mind you, it is dinner time, but Tom Bradley at the moment is absolutely packed. Probably the busiest I've seen it, really. Look at this amazing wall here to the right hand side, and all the shops on the left. So we'll go get a bottle of Coke now for take on the plane. Look how this wall has changed colour now. It's amazing. So we're going to go now down, I think, near our gate. Have a wander down that way and check it out and see if the plane's actually come in, which I don't think it has yet. I think it's due in probably in the next half an hour. Like I say, Tom Bradley International. It's a really, really nice departures terminal. I have travelled from here on many occasions. But like I say, I think it's busier today than it's probably ever been. But then again, we normally do travel later at night. This is sort of midday, so that probably is the reason for that. Looks like there's some remodelling going on here at the Cartier shop. They're changing the design of the store there. Nice perfume shop, Victoria Street. We've got another bar here. People are sitting in there having a drink before they board the aircraft. And we are now heading down, as I say, to our gate area. And in front of me there, you've got the Los Angeles duty free. More seating space there. That's actually gate 148 at LAX. What number's our gate?
I don't know.
So we're going to have to check the board in a minute and see what number our gate actually is as we head down this way. Got another one of these spectacular walls that keep changing all the pictures there on the left hand side. And on the right here we've got the very, very famous Hudson's newsagents, and they sell all the different things you need, all the essentials you need there for travelling. So this is the gate area now that we're heading down into. Massive, massive terminal. In fact, it's huge. So let's just give you a quick idea of what Tom Bradley International Airport is like. So we'll end this little short video here for you, and we'll see you soon.